Imagine being able to skip a video exactly as much as you need without skipping too much or going backward. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set the video skip duration on YouTube. It's quick and easy without any complications, so you can always control every part of the video the way you want. But before we begin, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can be notified of new videos I upload. So if you're ready, let's get started. First, the first thing you need to do is find the YouTube app on your home screen and open it. Once you're on the YouTube home screen, the next step is to tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. After doing that, the next thing you need to do is tap the gear icon in the top right corner to open the settings. When you're in settings, scroll down a bit and in the video and audio preferences section, look for the option playback and tap on it to open additional options. Once you're on the playback page, you'll see several options. Find the skip forward and back option and tap on it. Now when you're here, you can choose the desired number of seconds for skipping. You have options like 5, 10, 15, 20, 30, or even 60 seconds. Pick the one that works best for you. Now, when you exit the settings and play a movie or video, simply double tap left or right on the screen to skip, and you'll see that the video will automatically skip the number of seconds you've chosen. This allows you to quickly skip parts you don't want to watch or go back to a part you missed. In this way, watching videos becomes much more efficient and tailored to your needs. And that's all for this tutorial. If it was helpful, leave a like, share the video, and subscribe to my channel. It means a lot to me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon in my new video.